ready for a relaxing ride around the park? Hey, Mickey and Minnie.
Sure you can good care of our friends.
What's here? Wait, what could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Oh no! It's jumping the track!
Minnie, let's get that runaway train! Not a chance!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Liftoff! There they are! We'll be right back!
Nothing can stop us now!
We have to stop them before they go over the...
Come. Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing